Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take a look at the portable 20ft 3 rooms prefab container house flat pack container home office on wheel with bathroom kitchen living room. This is the perfect solution for anyone looking for a versatile and eco-friendly living or working space. The sturdy steel frame and high-quality corrugated steel panels make this container house durable and weather-resistant. And the best part? It's fully customizable, so you can design the interior space to meet your specific needs. Plus, it's easy to assemble and disassemble, making it portable and convenient to move. Whether you need an office space, living quarters, or storage, this container house has got you covered. It comes with windows, doors, and ventilation systems, providing a comfortable and functional environment. So, if you're looking for a versatile, eco-friendly, and customizable living or working space, be sure to check out the portable 20ft 3 rooms prefab container house flat pack container home office on wheel with bathroom kitchen living room. You can find the link in the description box below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.